Kryptonite tonight, and we're playing some Overlord. I recently got this game, don't really know what it's mostly about, but the guy from GameStyle told me this would be really fun, it's really funny, and it'd be really fun to play. I read the back, and I see around it, and I actually saw the loading screens, which looks pretty good, to be honest. I mean, the graphics aren't great, but definitely pretty good. So, we're gonna start off, new game, of course, because I've never played it before. And what the fuck was he just humping the air? What the fuck? Who's he talking? What the fuck? He's just fist pumping, he's scratching his ass at the same time. What the hell? See, that kind of shit right there is what makes this game. The fuck? That must hurt. What the fuck?
Master, evilness truly suits you. Let us go forth. There are nefarious deeds to be done. I feel the land quaking with fear already.
What the fuck? Okay, so I can't move the camera.
I'm not Minion Master, a devoted servant of darkness.
Okay.
The haziness will pass, and your muscles will become limber again. You have been This cavern is the spawning pit, sire, where new minions are born and live. Now you are here, you can call forth minions from this minion gate.
LT to lock on to minion gate, press B to summon minions.
Ah, look at those keen little evil faces, ready to loot and pillage at your command.
Nice.
Let us continue. Follow me if you wish to study the finer points of combat and minion control.
What the fuck is up with that pose?
If you want to get straight to the smiting, then I shall meet you in the throne room upstairs.
Wait.
Your minions will follow you wherever you go, Master, unless you give them a task.
That's pretty fucking cool. Like, I need like get the map out here. Dominion 3. There's like, okay, so there's like 3 other different types of minions, and I can get towers and what the fuck? I really don't know what most of this is, but okay. I already came from this place. What the fuck? I really hate that I can't move the camera around, because I really like being able to move the camera around, but apparently I can't, so that pretty much fucking sucks. Is this another thing over here? What's over here? Some earth stuff. Throne room? No, I want to know about how to control minions and shit. Ew, what the fuck is that? It's fucking gross. What's going on here?
Being Overlord is more than just throwing a few fireballs and causing chaos. Proper evil takes skill and maybe, well, just a bit of mayhem. I think the Sleeping Beauty's a little rusty. Oh, our jester, sire. I really should have nailed him out for the crows long ago. Teach him to respect his overlord.
To strike gesture, okay.
Stop! You're tickling! You're tickling! Good.
What the
Now
fuck?
hit him again. Don't hold back.
Never done much creativity with that.
It's all coming back now. Evil is not something you just forget. Come on, you Vipshits! Now, got him!
What the fuck? Okay, so LT's the lock on, and A is just a wail at him, I guess.
Come on, princess! You move like a dead patcher! Shame you don't smell as good! He's out of your reach, sire. Use your minions to shut his flapping mouth.
Okay, how do I do that?
They should call you the Overlord. running about the place, trying to rip each other apart. Call your minions back, Master. All of them. Right, Mr. Overlord, show me some evil. If you need your minions to follow a complicated route, then you must sweep them through it. Call that evil? Overlord? Overrated, more like. Don't let him get away, sire. Sweep your minions after him. Bet he'll whittle himself silly.
Get him yet? There we go.
I heard! I heard! I think you're ready, Master. Accompany me to the throne room. Evil deeds won't do themselves. Feel free to meet him further if you wish.
Oh, so that's what it's not for camera view, it's just to lead him around. The fuck? This game's alright so far. I'm not really that excited for it, but I mean, it's not that bad either. Could be a lot more worse.
Your throne room, sire.
That's pretty shitty.
Alas, one cannot be a bastion of evil these days without wretched heroes lining up to prove themselves. That last lot were particularly bothersome, killing your predecessor like that. Still, you're here now, sire. Evil will always find a way. They also looted and destroyed much of the tower. But it's merely a setback for the forces of darkness, sire. You are our new overlord. Rebuild your tower, punish those so-called heroes, and re-establish a dark domain. This is the tower portal, sire. Sadly, it's missing its power source, the tower heart. However, there's still a tiny bit of energy left. It's just enough to transport you to the last known location of the heart. Please, sire, step through.
Oh, my bad. I just kind of thought like he wouldn't say anything and just be like, okay, here you go. No, just fucking rushed in there. What's up with that dude? He's just fucking air humping and scratching his ass. Oh, this is pretty cool.
You made it through the gate, sire.
No shit, you saw him go in it.
This tranquil wilderness, so rural and idyllic. Hideous, is it not? Try not to inhale it, my lord. You can summon your minions from these gates. They are ancient arcane links between your tower and this land. Currently, you can only summon browns. You must find the other lost minion tribes before you can summon them. Perhaps we may recover some of our looted tower objects in this lush, verdant abomination.
What's this right here?
Your minions are waiting. They need only to be summoned.
Hold up. No, that's it. Oh, fuck God. Okay, see, this is why I really don't like it. Okay. No! I'm trying to...
Brown minions are your main fighters. They will happily die, so you don't have to. These fluffy creatures barely know they're alive, but you can still harvest life force from them. Remember, life force equals minions. Return to the gate to call more to your side.
Okay, what do I do with this? Move the player by sending 5 minions using RT.
Your minions will dutifully bring you anything they find, like this life force.
Come here, little goat. Mean sheep thing, whatever the fuck you are. Come here. I'm gonna fuck you up. I'm gonna fuck you up. Yeah, that's what I thought. Little bitches. Little bitches. Little bitches. Come here, you little fluffy little fucker. Hey, hey! Don't run away from me!
There's nothing minions like more than breaking things. Apart from killing things.
This is really fucking hard because I can't look around so easily. Oh, I hate this. Can I change it? Like, is there like gameplay? No, can't change it. It's just a fundamental thing. Can't change it. Look at this happy little fucker. Look at him. I'm gonna fuck your shit up right now. Come here. Where's your mother? Where'd your mother go? I'll fuck her up too. What's this over here? Only have one right now? Got three. Hold on, hold on. No, come here, come here, come here. Max is 5. I can only have 5 as my max.
Our way is blocked. But we have strength in numbers. Use all your minions on that pillar, and they will work together to move it. Onwards!
You can hear it's like a weird little horn sound when I summon them all too. Nice. All right. That's just fucking weird. I don't know how. I guess I gotta get like a different type of minion for that. I guess brown minions are like earth minions or something, or I don't fucking know. I don't fucking know.
Oh! Halflings took over my farm, tied me up in the sun to scare the birds. Now, those pumpkins are plotting against poor Bob. They want revenge for all the pies I made, and the soup, and the jelly, and the ice cream. I hear the pumpkins whispering at night. I won't leave my farm to the Halflings. Oh no, they're worse than the pumpkins. Please help get Bob's farm back. Oh. Your creatures ain't related to pumpkins, are they?
The fuck?
Even the birds laugh at me. They're in league with the pumpkins.
I can kick shit? What? I just kicked something. Like, what the fuck?
Get 'em! Get 'em!
This dude is really fucking losing it. Fucking pumpkins. Then again, I don't know what this world holds, so.
Those squeaky things away from me! Get away!
Don't know what this world holds.
Your creatures ain't related to pumpkins, are they?
Just chopping up fucking dandelions right now. I probably shouldn't do that. Actually, I know a friend of mine that she really loves sunflowers. Like, she just loves them so much. So if she probably sees it, she'll probably get mad at me. But whatever, fuck it. I did it anyways. Can I destroy this thing? Can I get in there? Halflings. Can I not get in there? Hold on, hold on, hold on.
Keep those squeaky things away from me! Oh, you'd better get going, Sonny. Well, the path beyond my house leads to the village of Spree. Oh, I bet there are more of them fat little demons about, so be careful.
Kill! Kill! Kill!
This is really fucking weird. Am I like a good guy now or like a bad guy? I don't fucking understand.
Makes me fun. Maybe grow mallows instead. Yeah, mallows don't talk so much. Yeah, that'd be nice.
The fuck? Shrooms! Shrooms! Oh, drugs everywhere. Drugs. Drugs. I love drugs. What's going on here?
See the clouds that rose from those dead halflings? That's evil energy. It gathers in all us evil creatures. You will learn more of it in time, Master.
Nice.
The Tower Heart. The halflings must have used it to grow pumpkins. The little fools. They have no idea of the real power it contains. Clear those pumpkins and let's get it back to the tower.
Actually, first, I kind of want to do this real quick.
Minions will automatically equip any useful items they find. And often, any useless items too. But do not fear. Your weapons and armor are custom forged to the tower. You wouldn't dream of giving you any old steal-me-downs. No. Your minions will carry it for you, Master. Being the Overlord means never having to lift anything heavy.
Except my dick! I don't know, it's a lame joke, I'm sorry. I kinda still wanna have fun though, I kinda wanna do shit. Like in Boy Scouts, if you get King of the Camp after a really good popcorn sale, like you don't have to do anything, like everybody does everything for you. It's pretty OP, and I had 2 of those. Yeah, carry that shit, bitches. I got me some bitches.
Ah, the minions have found a shortcut.
Create a shortcut by hitting the ruined wall. Okay. That's cool, I guess. Come on! Hurry the fuck up.
Moldy, keep up with the other minions. Giblet, I see you pretending to hold it with one claw. Hold your share, Gubbin, you useless sack of pus.
What the fuck? Yay, did that. Now do I walk onto it and just walk on it? Dude, this is kind of like make fun of Diablo 3. This is like make fun of Diablo 3 kind of shit. I'm starting to enjoy a little bit more now that I get to do stuff.
It is back where it belongs. This is the heart of the tower, sire. It will play a vital role in helping re-establish your dark domain.
Is the water turned blue now or something? Or?
It will allow you to visit the tower whenever you wish and provide access to all of the tower's resources. And look, it seems to have bestowed a little gift upon you, sire. You can now control 10 minions. Ha! And it seems to have retained one of its spells. The Fireball spell. Robust fellow. Might have known he'd make it. I'll teach you how to use him when the need arises. But I urge you, sire, find more of our missing tower objects. A crane would be particularly handy. Then we could clear the debris around here. Open up some rooms. Unfortunately, I am not the evil entity that I once was. I cannot take the feel of lush green grass under my feet and birdsong in my ears. In fact, I think I need to find a dark corner and something to pummel. I shall stay here. The heart will allow me to speak directly to you, sire, and see and hear what you do. Use the gate to return to the halfling domain.
Let's fucking kick his ass. Bitch! Just fucking kick his ass. Alright, so like, what's going on? Control 10 minions now.
Don't dilly-dally, sire. Go smite something.
Well, I kind of want to know what I can do at first, you know, like, if I get in here, activate. Oh, fuck! Fuck me. Okay, I'm gonna go back.
Testing, testing. 1, 2. Is this thing working? It's a bit grubby.
What the
Can
fuck?
you hear me, Master? Oh, there you are. And now, sire, the creatures around here are rather frisky, so they will have undoubtedly repopulated the area.
Ew.
Call forth some minions and head for that peasant village. Spree! Revolting name.
I actually want to come back because I actually wanted to see if I can forge something because I remember being mentioning I can forge shit. Let's see if this works. What the fuck, you air humping bitch? Just fucking air humping and shit. Alright.
Welcome!
Shut the fuck up. View domain quests. Teleport. Find a crane for the tower renovation. Really? That's pretty much it. I mean, okay, fuck it, fine, whatever. I want to be able to forge shit, man. Like, I want to make some badass shit. Like, I really do. And like, I guess I was asleep and they revived me because my predecessor died, so he's not good enough. Or he was good enough, but he wasn't strong enough for me. I don't know, whatever the fuck that works. Woo! That's actually pretty fun to do. What the fuck is this music? It's actually pretty fun to just do this. Yeah, it's pretty nice. I like it. It's pretty fucking nice, actually. I don't mind it so much anymore. Ah, whatever. How the fuck did I get to that village again? I gotta go this way. I think I gotta go this way, around here. Through the shortcut. Fuck, I just fucking froze there for a second. Let's do this. What the fuck is this?
Halflings approaching, get ready!
Hang on, those ain't halflings. Look at the one with the helmet.
Could be 2 halflings holding up some armor. Yeah, I bet that's it. I don't trust those sneaky little what's names.
Maybe you're right. Here, prove you ain't halflings and free our men from the camps down the road.
If you are, stay right there so I can get my aim straight. Now
There, in the field, greedy little halflings. Use your firebolt spell on the wheat and roast them like suckling pigs.
Okay, so now I can use my fire. What the fuck? To cast a spell. Nice. It's a lot of screaming. What the fuck? Oh, I got money? Holy shit, I got money. Pretty fucking dope. Pick that up? No, I'm just gonna pick that up. How do I pick it up? I don't.
For me?
The fuck is all that sounds? I hear like a bunch of sounds here. They're like hobbits. They're like really fucking disgusting looking hobbits. Oh, what's this? Destroy shit, I don't care. Nice.
More halflings.
They were like right in front of me, like what the fuck? Ow. I'm guessing the red is my health and blue is magic, of course, because I already saw that. What the fuck?
One last thing, sire. Killing innocents, and I use the term loosely, increases your corruption level. This attracts more evil energy, which increases your powers. However, this is rarely suitable for establishing a long-term evil plan. That requires people, living people. Gratitude comes with its own rewards.
Okay. So I can let them live, and though I want evil energy though. I don't really give a fuck. I just want to power up and get better armor and shit. I'm trying to fucking kill you. What the fuck? Did I not like kill him or something? I guess I can't kill him? What the fuck?
This must be the working camp those peasants spoke of. Be careful, Lord.
Come here, little minions. Destroy shit. Have fun. Whatever you want to do. What the fuck is that? Oh, I gotta. Oh, it doesn't regenerate? I have to, like, wait for, like, it to work and shit? Oh, that's fucking stupid. I got 153 gold.
This is an arcane blood pit, sire. You can sacrifice minions here to regain your own health. Have no fear. Your minions will gladly die for you. They're very loyal.
It's kind of fucked up. I actually don't want to do that. It's kind of fucked up. I really don't want to do that. I don't even know how much health they even give me anyways. Like, they could give me, like, really shitty health, and so that'd be pretty much pointless. What the fuck's over here?
A mana pit. Oh, I haven't seen one of these in years. They allow you to sacrifice your minions and replenish your mana.
Nice. Shortcut! Woo! Oh my god, their eyes are like glowing yellow. What the fuck? I kinda do need this. I feel a little shitty about that, but whatever. Just walking around here because I want to see some stuff before I actually go to the main objective. I don't know. I don't know, because I guess it's like some Bioshock 2 kind of energy going on here. Like, I just feel like I need to venture around just to make sure I don't miss anything. See, I found a mana pit. Like the other things hidden around here. Fuck. Anyways, sorry. I know this isn't really much of a fun commentary, but like, I'm trying. Like, I really don't fucking understand like what's going on really. I don't understand if I'm a good guy, am I a bad guy, am I just someone who just does shit and whatever. I don't fucking understand. I don't fucking know. What's going on here? Let's go, minions. So don't attack them. This is pretty fucking fun. This is way better than Halo Wars. Like, I thought like doing this would be like Halo Wars, but it's actually way more funner than Halo Wars. Get fucked up, mate. Oh fuck, I'm getting fucked up.
A full set of minions with you. Halflings might be short, but they're tough.
Am I dying? Yeah, I like hear a heartbeat and shit. Like, am I dying here?
Look, sire, a wheel. Your minions can turn these and, well, you never know what might happen.
Can I have some shrooms? I really would like some shrooms. Found some
I
health.
hear the bleating of lesser creatures, my lord.
Health potions. That's very fucking good. Oh, I can't even get it. Like, what the fuck? Can you get it? There you go. Get it for me.
You?
Thank you. Go attack those, like, sheep shit. Sheep!
Treasure!
Yeah, that's fucking right, treasure. Give me that shit. Come on. Come on!
Treasure!
Treasure! Alright, let's go over here. Let's see what's going on over here. What's up, bitches? Slave camp. Obey, obey. That's actually kind of copyright, because there's actually there's a company named Obey. There we go. Got some extra minions now. Fuck yeah. And a teleport spot, so I can teleport from here whenever. They really fucking die in there, like, what the fuck? What's going on, sir?
I've got calluses. My beautiful hands.
Fucking idiot. Fucking set you on fire. Fucking set you on fire. Can't even kill him. What the hell? That's fucking stupid. Destroy it, you fucking retards. Destroy the barrels and shit.
We've got to keep chopping.
Barrels. What do you have? You have money. What am I gonna use? Oh fuck! What am I gonna use this money for? I really fucking love these minions shit. Like, it's actually really fucking fun to use these guys. Dark Essence. How the fuck am I supposed? I guess go over there, minions. Go attack them. Fuck their shit up. This is pretty fucking fun. Ow. Hey, stop that. I just fucking threw a fireball at his face. Me and my fireballs. Jesus, that fucking movie was so fucking amazing.
Hey, help us out!
Kinda don't want to. I mean...
There are more prisoners over there, but they've got a big old troll guarding.
Big old troll? I like trolls. Kind of, sort of. I mean, not like the trolls in the video games. I mean the trolls like... Trolls like the... What do you fucking call it? I don't fucking remember right now. Be free! And fight for me! There we go. Be free and fight. Just fight. Fucking...
No sense in dying when there are others willing to do it for you. Fear and awe can be valuable commodities, sire. For you.
I wonder what happens if I die. Like, will I... What happens if I die? I mean, what if, yeah, if I die, like, will, like, shit happen or something? Or, like, I don't know if I can understand what happened. Cool, 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 cool. There's a sword right there if one of you guys want to get it. What's this? That's money. I like it when they break shit and actually bring it to me. I don't know, I just find that really cool. I don't know why. I'm just weird like that, I guess. Only got 9 minions right now. Alright, what else? Break that shit. Oh, what the fuck's in there? Some health and oh, shit ton of money! Jesus fucking Christ. Wonder what my limit is on this. Maybe I don't have a limit. I really hope I don't have a limit. Really hope I don't have a limit.
For the master.
There are more prisoners over there, but they've got a big old troll guarding them.
Actually, I don't feel that bad about killing them now because, you know, they're pretty okay to kill, I guess. What the fuck? Ew! What the fuck? He has nipple piercings! Oh! Oh! That's just fucking, you're a fucking abomination right there. That's what the fuck you are.
Get it!
Jesus, you're so fucking gross.
You all ate my brother.
Get us out of here!
Oh, fuck yeah, we killed it.
By you.
Oh! Didn't mean to do that, I'm sorry.
That must hurt.
Fuck's sake, I just ended up fucking hitting my own friend there. Oh, minion. Come here, minions. I only got 4 of you guys now. I gotta spawn more of you in. Yeah, there we go. So, like, it can all, LTs also can, like, lock onto camera and shit. Be born, my children. Can I open? Oh no, that was the troll. The troll was in there. Okay, can I open? Okay, that gate right there. Oh, what happened? Wait, how do I let's set these guys free? I just
Kill! 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 Hurry! Hurry!
do I like? How the fuck do I set you guys free? I guess I don't.
Hey, we don't need this train anymore. You take it.
Well, it is ours, wretched creatures. Quickly, sire, have your minions bring it to the waypoint gate.
Hold on. Hold on. Yeah, so we're gonna free some people. There we go. That's gonna be teleported. Yay! Celebrate! I don't give a fuck.
Thank the gods! Come on! Let's go to Spring.
Actually, I want to go to Spree too. See if there's any kind of like shit I can make there. My axe looks really shitty. Oh, my bad. Spray that barrel there. What's going on here? Destroy shit! There's a ton of shit here to destroy, actually. Oh, those guys are free. I thought those were like halflings for a second there. Mama. Am I going the right way? Where the fuck am I going right now? What's happening? There's halflings here. Oh, what's going on over here? The fuck? I'm really fucking lost right now. Where the fuck? Oh, I know where I'm at. I've already been here. What the fuck? Already fucking been here. Let's go this way. This way? Yeah. Saving content. Please do not turn off. Nice. What's going on here? What the fuck? You load? For what? Some like dragon come out? Oh, I swear to God, the fucking dragon comes out right now. I'm gonna fucking be like, nope. Go into my tower. I guess it was just saving. Let's go back to the... what's this? It's a spawn pit. Minion spawn pit. Let's go back to the... Spree! I wanna go back to Spree. I wanna see if I can buy shit. I wanna get some better stuff. Spray, 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 spray. Can't go in that way. How do I get in there? What the fuck is this? It's like green stuff underneath it.
For the master.
How the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? I'm so fucking confused. I'm sorry, this game is not... I don't know if you guys are enjoying it. If you guys are enjoying it, that's great, but I mean, like, I'm enjoying it. I just really wish there was more stuff that I could say, you know, because, like, this game, it's really weird. What the fuck? I'm here again. Okay, well, this makes it easy, because I know where to go now. Just go over here. And then... go here. Woo!
Saved us! Our boys are safely home!
Ah, it's nice to see folks enjoying themselves for a change. Quite a wild bunch. Back home in Ruboria, I'm called Archibald Damius Methuselah Wobbleboard III. But folks around here just call me Archie.
What the fuck?
We've had some tough times. The halflings have ransacked most of the farms and everyone's turned up in spree on my doorstep. They voted me mayor. I got the drinks, yeah, but no food to feed them. Look,
What the fuck is he
I
doing?
really need some valiant guys to get us back the food the halflings stole from us. Their village lies to the east. I bet they're keeping it there. Go on. Full tummies for us equals fuller pockets for you, if you get my drift.
No, I don't really understand what the fuck he meant, but okay. Just wanna look around real quick, see what the fuck's going on. Sunflowers! Beautiful things.
Careful. This is the only bit of farmland we've managed to save from the halflings.
But the crops won't be ready for months. We'll have starved by then.
Halfling patrols are still out there. We've seen them go into this old workshop. I think they're keeping something in there.
I mean, it would be great, but I just don't have a fucking map. That's what's really fucking difficult right now. I don't have a fucking map. I like how they're letting me just break shit.
Remember, sire, never trust anything that's head height with your groin.
Never trust anything that's head height with your
I
groin.
smell roasted harflin on the breeze.
Remember, sire, never trust anything that's head height with your groin.
That's actually some pretty wise advice, to be honest. Like, not even in this game, just in general, like in real life. It is some pretty good. It's pretty good advice.
Creatures saved us some work.
Just breaking your shit. Killing your sheep. I like how they don't give a fuck about this. I can go into houses and break shit. Do I get stuff out of it? I mean, fuck.
For the Overlord.
Do I get shit out of the house or something?
That.
Why'd you bother saving us?
Actually just looking around. I'm gonna see if I can find a swordsmith.
Get out of it!
I'll bet a barrel of beer that our food is in the halfling village to the east.
nice. I'm just trying to like get stuff for my minions and me.
You're wrecking the place.
Oh, this is how it's supposed to go anyways. Fucked up, mate. Oh, he just got fucking knocked out. The music stopped. So what's going on over here? Is there, yeah, there we go. Let's do that. Oh, what the fuck's up there in the corner? Dark cloud. Oh, what the hell? What place are you talking about? We're behind enemy lines. What the fuck are you talking about? Wrecking the place, my ass. Jesus. Oh, what the fuck? There's rocks. Hurry up, you fucking minions. Just fucking knock the shit out of them. Break shit. Go up there and fuck them up too. Damn, it's like a fucking swarm of them just like fucking everybody up. It's fucking beast. I can't imagine like me having like 30 of these fuckers. Shit. That'd be so amazing. Oh, it's amazing. What the fuck is that sound? It's like a grunting sound. Is that a cow or something? What the hell is that? Brick shit. Don't care. Go in there, fuck it up.
Looks like they're preparing a party down there. We should hurry up, sire. Don't want to miss it.
Yeah, I'm gonna fucking shove my dick in all their asses. I haven't seen any female halflings. That kind of worries me. Like, how do they reproduce? Oh, there's another fucking troll over there. Oh, I'm about to fucking die. I'm about to fucking die. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, shit. Fuck me. Oh god. Okay. 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 I wasn't ready for this. I wasn't ready for this. I wasn't ready for this. Wasn't ready for this. Wasn't ready for this. Yeah, I know. I know. Oh god. 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 Ouch. I need a health pit, actually, is what I fucking need. What is this? A teleport? Oh, this. There we go. So what the fuck's up with this epic music? Nothing epic's going on right now. There's nothing epic right now. Like, what the fuck? Go fuck them up. Oh my god, I don't know how to do this. Nice. What's that beating? Oh, that's my heart. Like, what is that beating? Got me shit? Oh yeah, I actually do get shit out of the house. That's cool. I got a shit ton of things. Yeah, fuck him up, fuck him up, fuck him up! Damn, that fucking beating in my heart is really getting fucking annoying. Fuck yeah. break benches. Okay, it makes a lot of sense. These are like hobbits. Look at this fucking house. These are like fucking hobbits. These aren't halflings. They're like fucking hobbits. I feel really fucking. Actually, feel kind of bad now because I really like Lord of the Rings. Oh fuck yes, health. Thank God for that shit.
Seems that we won't be joining the party just yet. While they're busy here, perhaps you should find out where those greedy devils have hidden Spree's food.
Guess I should. Let's go figure it out over here.
Looks like you'll be able to fit your magnificent and imposing presence in through there, Lord.
What the fuck? The fuck was that he just said? Sounds like he's kissing my ass. There we go. Halfling's home. I'm swear to God, this is like a hobbit's fucking house. I swear to fucking God. Have you ever seen Lord of the Rings? These are exactly how the hobbits' houses look like. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna end the game here. I can't seem to save the game. I'm gonna end the game here. Done a lot of it's probably a video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe, like, tell your friends, tell everybody. And my name is Jackal C Kryptonite, and I'll see you later. Bye.